guys, this is Mike, your friend from Panda Riders. May the 1st, holiday, Labor Day holiday. We are workers and we are working, not today, because we have holidays. Not 1 day, not 2 days, but we have 3-day holidays. And as you can see, the whole video, what we are doing, we are outside of Chengdu. It's not the driving video, it's not the riding video, but we are going to have some driving videos and riding videos, but it is mostly camping, cooking and bonfire. Okay, do not leave until you finish the video. You're going to enjoy this video. I'll see you in a minute.
बारिश होने लगी
नहीं हो रही
ठीक है
जब वो कि उठा के ले जाएंगे
लगा दे ठीक है
बस सही है
भाई सही लग रही है ढक्कन है खाली इसका ढक्कन है दे दे इसके ऊपर लगा दे अंदर वो नहीं जाएगा स्मेल नहीं जाएगी
छुरी में ये देख लाया तो था मैं यार क्या है छुरी लाया था
छुरी पड़ी थी
है सर बनाया सर ऑयल थोड़ा ऑयल डाल और प्याज तूने ज्यादा डाल दिए
पूरा एक प्याज काटा
Okay guys, now tomorrow we are going to have our hike. We are making the plans behind those guys. They are making plans what we are going to do. We haven't finished our food yet because food is not done yet. It's going to be a chicken karai and everything is done here at this place. Okay, so in the morning, we started from Chengdu. Like in the morning at 7 o'clock. Yes, then from my place, I left at 7 o'clock. Then I went to the Mamoon's place. I picked him up with another guy. Then we went to their university because those are the students here in Chengdu. All right. So we picked them up, and it's a Labor Day holiday, and everyone is on their vacation. And it was a traffic jam. It was a terrible, terrible traffic jam. We usually take like 2 hours to get here, but it took 2 hours to get here. But anyway, now after a long time searching, we found this place, as you can see from the back, and it is a shelter, all right? And we don't know when it starts raining. So what we did is we found this shelter, we had our camps, we are going to spend 1 night here. Then tomorrow morning we are going to those trails. Yes, sir. We are going to have those trails. We will walk on them.
अभी और ना करी जाए अगर नहीं चलता
Oh, bhai.
It's good?
Ali! Yeah. Man, you are the man.
Good, man.
Ready, man.
Eaten.
Okay.
How
Yeah.
about this Pepsi?
So right now it's ready to eat.
Yeah.
You can see just the image of this.
Challenge.
Alright guys, now those guys put the mat over there on the floor. You know, this is a typical Pakistani way to sit on the floor and eat. But the problem is I am out of shape, so I cannot sit on that mat. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit on that bench, okay, just now. So I need some kind of, you know, that taller place, higher place to sit. I'm so sorry, I cannot join them. But the food is phenomenal. The smell is awesome. The atmosphere and the surrounding is unbelievable. Alright guys, now this guy, he's a local guy. He invited us to go down and we have our camp down because we have electricity there. We can charge our cell phones, we can charge our cameras and everything. Alright. A good guy. Thank you very much, buddy. Okay, now we have finished. Now look at these guys, everything is done. Yes, the food was awesome, you know. Thank you very much. Now we are going to make a tea. Now I'll show you. Everything is finished. Alright, he's going. Bye bye. Alright, now this guy was very friendly here, the local guy, and he invited us to go down and have our camp. No, I'm telling you again, you know, I'm repeating that again. This guy, just now I show you, he's a local guy. Now he invited us to go downstairs, not downstairs, down, you know, the mountain, and we can have our camps installed there tomorrow. But we just want to enjoy, you know, the nature. In Chengdu, you know, the daily life, we are like busy, you know. I'm a baker. They are students, okay, and we have a very busy life, you know, busy urban life. We never had any chance, for me especially, you know, because I only have like off in the major holidays. So what we do is we just go to the major tourist attractions. Now, in these holidays in China, you know that these tourist attractions, they are full, you know, full with people from all over China. You know, China has the biggest population, and these, like in Sichuan, we have many different, you know, tourist attractions. Yes, we have. Like, we are the #1 in whole China. You know, Sichuan province, remember, we have Zhouzhaigo, we have Huanglong, we have Roergai, we have Leshan Buddha, we have Erme Mountain, we have Xiling Mountain, we have Four Sister Mountain. And in these holidays, these people all over China, they visit Sichuan province. So we are here. We are doing this camping, you know, in this natural habitat. This is rare. You know, cooking by yourself, you know, eating like that, living in that camp, that is rare. Alright, with that, here I'm going to finish our video, this video right now, okay? And if you're already my subscriber and you're still watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button and comment how do you like this video. Alright, now if you're new, okay, and you're still watching, you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Alright, then you can get my new contents, you know, with the notifications, so you can enjoy my videos, you know, you can be the pioneer. Alright, as usual, you know, stay happy, stay awesome. Bye, I'll see you next time. यार मैं शहद की बोतलें देख लूँ, वो ना फाट गया के नीचे। ये पड़ा हुआ चिकन, ये पड़ा हुआ है